Hello everyone. Let's start by discussing the early signs of liver damage. Light-colored stools and difficulty with night vision can be initial indicators of hepatic issues. Additionally, swelling in the right foot can also be an important warning sign to watch out for. Today we'll explore some of the key signs that may indicate liver problems. If you want to check for liver issues, stick around and watch this video until the end. If you are currently experiencing kidney problems or have had experience with any related issues, please share your symptoms in the comments below. Let's strengthen our community by sharing experiences and helping each other prevent future kidney health problems. If you enjoy and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here you'll find videos about organ health, sexual health, mental health, and longevity. Your liver has a remarkable ability to heal itself with some assistance. The prevalent belief that liver damage primarily results from excessive alcohol consumption is somewhat misguided. In fact, an overload of sweetened and processed foods and beverages, excessive intake of omega-6 vegetable oils and fast foods, frequent use of painkillers such as paracetamol or ibuprofen, viruses leading to liver damage and hepatitis. Other signs to consider include growths of white and yellowish spots on the eyelids, pressure or discomfort on the right side of the chest, especially after eating. Purple and red spots on the skin can also point to problems. Recognizing these signs early can make all the difference in your liver health. It's essential to be mindful of these signs and seek medical help if you identify them. Don't forget to take care of your liver health. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave your comment, and share it with your friends. Until next time.